Hey guys, how have you been? In this video, we're going to cook this delicious tomato egg noodle. For the ingredients, we'll need 2 small tomatoes, as well as 3 eggs and 2 stems of scallions. First, make sure your tomatoes are washed, and we'll use the knife to score 2 thin cuts on the surface of the tomatoes. This is to help us peel off the skin later on. But of course, if you're lazy, you can totally skip this step. While we are on the cutting board, go ahead and chop up the scallions. Crack the 3 eggs into a bowl as well. Use a chopstick, penetrate the tomatoes, and scorch it over the open flame. This will lightly burn the skin so they fall right off. If you don't own a gas stove, you can also boil the whole tomato in a pot of water for about a minute. The skin will also easily fall off after that. Just takes longer. Scorch it until the skin resembles something like this. Then you're good to go. Peel off the skin from the tomatoes. Here I obviously could have used a little longer of scorching. Once that's done, split the tomato in the middle and cut off the hard stem like so. Now cut them up into medium-sized slices. Add a teaspoon of salt into the egg and mix well. It may seem like a lot of salt, but keep in mind that this is a sauce that we'll be mixing with the noodles. So we actually need the salt to be a bit salty for this dish to taste good. Heat up the wok and add a generous amount of cooking oil in it. Pour in the eggs. Because I've lost the footage of me frying the egg the first time, I've just added a raw egg and fried it again. This should be a quick process and shouldn't take longer than 1 minute. After you took out the fried eggs, in the same wok, add some more cooking oil. Add in the chopped up scallions and tomatoes. Stir them well. I'm going to season the tomatoes with 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, as well as half of a teaspoon of chicken essence. The chicken essence is optional. You can also replace it with 1/4 of a teaspoon of MSG if you like. You want to cook it until the tomatoes become soft and almost pasty. When that's done, add some boiling water to the bowl of eggs we fried earlier. Mix it and add it to the wok. After that, add more boiling water to the wok. Wait for the sauce to bubble up. We can start taste testing it to see if it's salty enough. In between, I've also added a drizzle of dark soy sauce for the coloring, as well as a bit of sesame oil for the flavoring. Add salt bit by bit until when you think it's considered a little too salty if you were to drink it straight as a soup. That's when you know it's ready. Pour the sauce out into a bowl and we'll start cooking the noodles. Ideally, you should be cooking it at the same time as you're cooking the sauce. In the same wok, boil up water. I use this dried up noodle stick. It's inexpensive and easy to preserve. When the water starts to bubble, drop the noodles in. Stir it every now and then to make sure the noodles aren't sticking to each other or to the wok. You can add in cold water when the water completely boils up. This is to keep the noodles more chewy. When the noodles are done, just mix it together with the sauce and you're all done. Enjoy and thank you for watching. Take care.